What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if y'all follow me on Facebook or Instagram, I put channel updates on there, and if y'all do, y'all see last week that I put that there was no video due to some unfortunate circumstances. All right, so get ready for what y'all about to see. It looks like a lot. Y'all might can see some behind me, I don't know, but this is what we started on last week. And as you can tell, Kyle's X3 does not have a motor in it right now. So the motor was not completely blown up. We got X3 parts everywhere. The motor wasn't completely blown up. So what had happened, long story short, he bought a K&N air filter on Amazon. Right, Kyle? A K&N?
K&N.
Claimed to be K&N, right? Ran it for months. It looks like one, but then when I looked at it compared to mine, it's definitely not a K&N. It was a cheap knockoff. They didn't even have a K&N print on it, the K&N part number, none of that. So his motor had been taking in a lot of dust and dirt and debris, and he caught it because he had oil coming through his intake, so he had a little bit of blow by it, so it wore out the rings. So we got lucky. The cylinders still look good.
You look down past the connecting rod,
So,
you can kind of see them.
You can't really tell, but the cylinder walls still look good. It's just the rings that got a little worn off, but we're gonna get this thing put back together maybe today. I mean, it's all gonna be in one video, so it'll be fast for y'all, but we're gonna go ahead and, it's not really gonna be a how-to video. I'm just updating y'all on where we're at and why we're not riding, and hopefully y'all enjoy this type of content. So let's get this motor back together. All right, guys, so we got to the point where we need to put the flywheel back on, and you're supposed to have a crank locking tool, but we don't have that, and we're not going to order it and wait on it. So we talked to a couple shops that have done this, and so we got a bolt. We put it in here on the clutch side, same thread and everything. Just have a nut here for a spacer, and then this bracket here, nothing to do with the motor, it's just acting as a washer so that the nut doesn't dig into the crank. So we'll hold this side, and then we'll torque this 14 mil Allen bolt onto the flywheel. It goes to 111 foot-pounds. So I'll hold this one.
Okay, right now I'm just getting seated, that's all. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Oh god. Just tighten that side.
Yeah, a little bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, ready? I don't think this side's moving at all.
It's got to be close.
Right? Oh, dude, no, that thing ain't moving.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Here we go. Oh wait, you're pushing down, so I'm gonna push down too. You ready? Is it? That worked. That's good.
All right, guys, so it's been about a case of beer later, bunch of dirty words. We didn't record the whole process of putting the motor back in, but it is all back in. We just have to put the clutches back on and then the intakes and exhaust for the clutch box. But everything is back in, hopefully. We got all the wires connected. We have not fired this thing yet. Kyle just finished hooking up the battery. So whenever you're ready, Kyle.
Stressing, man.
He's nervous.
I'm nervous, dude. Fucking
All right.
on. Y'all ready?
I'm ready when you are.
All right. Y'all pray for me out there. Fuel.
Yeah, let it build fuel. What's that noise?
Oh, I bet you it might need to pump oil. But I don't like that.
I didn't like that noise either. It sounded good, but I didn't like that noise. All right, guys, so the ticking went away because it wasn't cycling enough, so it got oil pressure on the top end. So that went away, but now when it's running, it's pulsating. Got to check engine light, check the code. It's a P212 Charlie, which is low voltage to the, it was what, second throttle position sensor? Yeah, second throttle position sensor. So it's saying low voltage to that. You hit the throttle, it just shuts itself down. But the motor sounds good, it's running fine. It's late on Sunday. We have work tomorrow. But I think this is gonna be it for this video. If y'all enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so y'all don't miss the next video, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.